How do Python GUI event handlers work? Imagine clicking a button and watching something happen instantly. That's what event handling in Python graphical user interface applications is all about. It makes your programs interactive and lively. When you build a desktop application using Python, you want it to respond to what users do, like pressing keys or clicking buttons. Event handlers are the functions you write to tell the program what to do when these actions happen. Python GUI applications follow what is called an event-driven programming model. This means the program waits for something to happen and then reacts. The main part of the program is a loop that keeps listening for events like mouse clicks or key presses. When an event occurs, the program creates an event object. This object contains details about what happened, like which key was pressed or where the mouse was. You then connect these events to functions called event handlers. These handlers are just functions you write that tell the program how to respond. For example, if a user clicks a button, you can have an event handler that shows a message or opens a new window. To connect an event to a handler, you use a method called bind. This method tells the program, when this event happens on this widget, run this function. For example, in the popular Python toolkit called Tk, you can bind a key press event to a function. When the user presses any key, the function runs and shows which key was pressed. Here is a simple example. You define a function that takes an event as a parameter. Then you bind this function to the key press event on the main window. When a key is pressed, the function runs automatically and prints the key symbol. Understanding how event handlers work is key to making your desktop applications feel responsive. You can handle different events like mouse clicks, key presses, or window actions. When you bind these events to functions, your application becomes more interactive and user-friendly. You can also control how events propagate through your interface, deciding whether to stop further actions or let other handlers respond. So, in simple terms, event handling in Python GUI applications is about writing functions that respond to user actions and connecting them to specific events using binding methods. This setup allows your program to listen for actions and react instantly, making your applications dynamic and engaging.